I'm here at 1631 Willingham Drive in East Point, Georgia. The front of the building, some office space up in the front, which we'll get around to later, but I'm primarily interested in the warehouse portion, so I'm going to head there next. Divided up into at least two sections. It's got a pitched roof, which is showing some signs of leaking, but anything that it could possibly leak is leaking in Atlanta right now. So that looks to be the extent of the office space. And there's the back right of the space. Definitely some more leaks here that the buckets aren't catching. Some sort of drain pit here in the floor. Restrooms need some work. Old school hand washing station, industrial style hand washing station. Right across the street is Woodward Academy campus. Here we are back to an area that we've already seen part of. Little mezz level up there. And a large boiler room here. On the outside, this is the dock bay. Which I'm told there's a drain that is pumping water out of there, but have more water than it can keep up with. Here we are in the back of the property. MARTA train. The side entrance, which is near the overpass for Willingham Drive. That concludes our tour of 1631 Willingham.